What's up, scientists? In today's video, we're gonna look at a new thing that we probably want. It's the astrology. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna look at is the zodiac sign. So let's see what you are. And I remember I am a Pisces. Yes, and my uncle is Aries, and my dad is a Sagittarius. So, and what is Ophiuchus? I remember there's like an Ophiuchus. And Aquarius. Okay, my grandma is like that. Okay, so we're gonna look at something else. So if you don't know what astrology is, I've been studying since 5 years. And it's pretty cool. This is going to be a new unit for you if you are a curious child. I'm actually a little bit sick, so I caught this stupid cold. Okay, that's not positive. And okay, so I figured that. Okay, astrology space. So we know this. Okay, and the next thing we look at is how the universe started. Well, it's not what you think. You think, oh, it started from singularity. No, it didn't. So we're gonna look that up. If this YouTuber goes wrong, I'll be very pissed off. So okay, So here is a picture. It is quantum fluctuation. In the first about 4 million years, it rose our sun. Dark energy. If you don't know what dark energy is, it's okay. So if you don't know what dark energy is, Dark energy is a mythical process driving the universe into expansion. It acts response as anti-gravity, as pushes the galaxies apart, makes up 68% of our universe. Total energy is still unknown. The possibility of future vacuum space, the cosmological constant of our new energy field. That's what dark energy is. And also, let's look at our solar system. And also, let's look at a black hole. Yes, it scares you. When you look at our black hole, Sagittarius A star. Which, yes, let's look at a black hole. A black hole is a region of space with gravity so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. It's formed by composed of a massive star or a Spanish process, a constant, a singularity, an infinitely dense point surrounded by an event horizon, the point of no return. They range of a stellar mass to a supermassive found in galaxy center, and they are detected by gravitational waves on near matter, makes up a visible house of a cosmic force. So that's what black hole is. This is actually MA3 center black hole. Did you know what? A YouTuber, I always watch him when I want to go to scientific mode. And see, it's like super scary. Like, sometimes this gives me a heart attack. But if you don't know what a heart attack is, don't do CPR. Get an AAD. Okay, whoa. So here's it, and there's that. Kind of an over. Weird. So if you don't know what says it, okay. No, come on. Okay, stars. If you don't know what the equation this is, let me read it to you. Sagittarius is a star. SRG, a star, is a real visible a swishing ring of gas of dust and has to millions of degrees. It has fallen, which is astronomically detected by emitted radios and infrared light. If you don't know what infrared light, so take for example a microwave. It produces infrared light, and that can damage your organs. So let's look away as well as okay, come on. Infrared and bright flares will squeeze them over to tiny amount of flames. The telescope there was instead has from viral from this and natural this. That sounds like a song. And look at this. This is a black hole for instance. And this is our galaxy's supermassive black hole. Yes. It's kind of scary, but we're going to look at Hawking radiation, which is actually okay. So this is actually a cool thing. So let's just do it. Hawking radiation is referred to the fictional gamma radiation. I'm saying Hawking. I'm saying Hawking radiation is a faint formula with radiation caused by nearby black holes due to quantum effects nearby the ventilation causes them to slowly lose mass. And it falls a positive combines gravity in quantum physics as a result from a visible particle and an antiparticle from forming a vacuum where when one particle falls into negative area, when another one is talking energy. Black hole is regulated the mass from this. The black hole grows and smaller and being harder and it evaporates faster, for it is wholly undetected. And okay, so we're gonna talk about like complicated math. Now it's time for the boring parts. Most people hate math, or I love science. We're gonna talk about astrophysics. Wait, we're gonna talk about astrology. Let me tell you about astrology. Astrology is an ancient system that divides a cellular body, planets, stars, and festive humans, and flight and on off. The basics on the particles. There's a time of like birth. It's used to take birth. And the zodiac sign. It appears that a worldwide population monitors astrology. The scientific conversation is even thought of it reminds of significant cultural belief system. how about you say Hinduism? No, we're not looking at Hinduism. I'm sorry, Indians. Oh no, I just said a bad word. But we're not talking, no. I'm thinking about the residential schools. Okay, we're gonna actually talk about the Big Bang. Okay, this one's gonna be a long one. The Big Bang is a weird scientific theory from the universe's original. The sex that explains that heart density is highly about 14.8 billion years ago. It evolved vacuum cosmos of galaxies, stars, and planets we see today through the cold formation of atoms. Gravitation crumbles into wasn't exposes space. Red stretch of space, time itself. Leaving behind the cosmic microwave background radiation and absorbable records of galaxies. Yes, that is true. And let's look at the next, which is the three main ways the universe could end. The four main ways. The universe can end in scientific ways through cold, lonely, freezing, heat death, which sprays out energy until everything's too cold for life. Or it possibly could be the Big Rip if dark energy tears everything apart, or quantum events like vacuum decay, which is a function of or a big crunch. We collapses it less likely with data in the form of gravity winds. Okay, so now let's talk about. Oh, come on. You got annoying me for. Let's talk about. Okay, so let's talk about Einstein's general relativity. Okay, so Einstein's general relativity, or GR, published in 1960, a theory of gravitational force not to go to the fourth dimension of space-time because of mass energy with objects following the straight path of geometrics. Found to be open of geometry, photons, yet black holes light in planetary orbit. Until it unifies space and time into surface, and so on how much mass bodies can create dips. Much like a bowling ball on a trampoline detects how other objects move. Okay, so that's Einstein's GR, general relativity. So thank you so much for watching, and I just want to say something. Stay smart!